The California Employment Development Department, EDD, developed this tutorial to assist you with navigating through e-services for business. This tutorial will show you how to file a payroll tax deposit DE-88 in e-services for business. We will begin at the e-services for business homepage. This is the e-services for business homepage. Select the employment tax link for the account for which you would like to file a payroll tax deposit DE-88. This is the account homepage. Select the period for which you want to make a DE-88 payroll tax deposit. For this example, we will choose to file a deposit for the period of 31 March 2018. This page displays a breakdown of alerts and activity for the period 31 March 2018. Select the Make a Payment link from the I Want To menu. Select a payment method. The choices are ACH debit or credit card. For this example, we select ACH debit. If you don't already have a stored payment source, enter your banking information here. You have the option to save this payment source for this account by selecting the Yes tab under the statement Save as the default payment source for this account. You have the option to change the default name by selecting the No tab under the statement Use default name. The bank debit date is pre-populated but can be changed up to 90 days in the future. Enter the payment amount, then confirm the amount. Select the deposit schedule. For this example, we select quarterly. Select the correct pay date. Verify that the payment amounts total matches the payment total. Select Submit when you have entered all of the information. This is your approval and authorization for the Employment Development Department to debit your bank account for the amount of the payment total you chose. For this example, the authorized payment amount is $100. Selecting OK will act as your electronic signature. This is the confirmation page telling you that your payment has been submitted. Select OK to return to the account homepage. Thank you for taking the time to watch this tutorial on how to file a payroll tax deposit DE-88. Be sure to view our other tutorials demonstrating how to file a tax return and wage report, get your UI rate, and the many other actions available in e-services for business. Other resources are available at www.edd.ca.gov or by calling the Taxpayer Assistance Center at 1-888-745-3886.